Alexa SSD drive. Let's test it. It's a 240 GB version. For the speed testing, I will be using the Anchor USB Type-C hub with the USB to SATA adapter. I picked the 240 GB as my target drive and picked 5G as the stress testing in the config. Start. (343 megabytes per second), right? And the read speed is 417 megabytes per second. Okay, the second test. We'll run it 3 times. I think it is doing it in a continuous loop. 342, 418. All right, I think that's good enough. 350 megabytes per second, right? And over 400 megabytes per second read. And now let's stop. Remember to always eject before you disconnect the hard drive. The traditional HDD type of hard drive. Okay, looks like it's getting around 74 megabytes per second, right? And the read speed is the same. It's about the same, 77. Okay, so the Alexa SSD is about 5 times faster than the traditional HDD. Yeah, 74. It is pretty consistent. This is before the SSD card. Chrome takes forever to open. Installing the Windows 10 right now. Swapped out the traditional hard drive and reinstalled the Windows 10 on the machine. Let's do a hard restart, a cold restart. I'll just make sure the CPU consumption is not 100%, and I'll do a hard reload of the Google Chrome. Okay, CPU consumption is around 6%, 8%. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, I'm gonna launch the Google Chrome for the first time. Just like that, super fast compared to maybe, more than 30 seconds of load time. Now the bottleneck is probably the CPU, because my CPU consumption is 100%. It really makes my old PC so much usable. I hope you find this review helpful. Thank you very much for watching.